Hello! Happy anniversary! Happy April Fool's Day! Today, Happy is home! Happy anniversary, my love!
Happy anniversary, babe.
3rd year.
Wow.
Wow.
I didn't think we'll make it this far, my love. I gave us 2 years at best.
We made it to 3.
I don't see 4 coming.
Mag-prepare ako ng special dinner tonight. Kasi hindi kami pwede lumabas. Pwede naman, pero hindi talaga pwede kasi walang open na restaurant. Sabihin ko sana pwede naman. Pero social distancing, hindi talaga pwede. Kasi closing restaurant. Plano sana namin na Dan, magdi-dinner kami sa like isang fancy restaurant. Kasi meron kami voucher. Because we have a voucher.
That was a good restaurant. That was actually a really nice restaurant. That's one of the best restaurants in Adelaide.
Yeah.
It is actually really good.
Yeah. Meron kami $100 voucher. So, for sure, mag-add kami. Yun sana yung plano namin. Sabi namin, sige, punta tayo dito. Kasi hindi naman kami pupunta dun on a regular day. Wale. So, nag-order na lang ako ng lobster again. Kasi yun lang yung special na alam kong gawin. So, papunta na si Kuya. Tinawagan niya ako kanina. I should wait outside, guys. Kasi yung doorbell namin, disconnect namin. Kasi port power yung doorbell namin eh. Para sa open house, just in case yung bibili ng bahay ayaw ng port power. Baka magbago isip nila, magustuhan nila ang bahay. Ay, nandito na si Kuya.
Happy anniversary, babe. I got you something.
Lobster.
I got you a lobster.
Nag-order ako guys ng lobster at saka scallops. Meron silang scallops. Pero mamayang dinner pa yan. Hindi ako nag-order ng lobster stuff. Wag nyo na yung itry. Siguro kung may pagkagamitan kayo, yeah. Pero ako kasi, hindi ko kasi alam pagkagamitan. So nasayang. Mahal pa naman yun. Nasayang lang siya. Tinapon lang namin kasi kailangan din namin ng space sa freezer. Mabaho. Mas mura sila ngayon. It's $10 cheaper. Ah, big ones. 12? There's 12, yeah, babe? That's frozen, so leave that out. And then the lobster is freshly cooked.
It's not massive.
That's the biggest one there, 900 grams.
900.
It's not 900.
The one you got last time was bigger.
Well, that was 1 kilogram last time. Yeah. Depende kasi, it depends upon the availability.
What are you eating tonight?
Huh?
What are you eating tonight?
You're eating 1 scallop, okay? Do you want to buy shrimp? Or that's enough? That's enough. You can if you want. Oh, well. Leave the scallops out, please.
I want to put that in the fridge. Like that.
Oh, put it on a plate, please, babe. Ayaw nating mabaho-baho ang kabahayan. Kahapon nagluto ako ng ano, guys. Yung dried squid ba? Pagdating ni Dad sa bahay, ano niluto mo? Bakit ka nagluto? Why did you cook dried fish?
The house stinks. We're trying to sell the house, guys. We're not.
Nakalimutan ko, guys. Akala ko malayo pa yan. Malapit na pala. Over din kasi siya. Sabi niya magsistay daw ng ilang weeks yung ano ba. Hindi naman. Over tuloy yung pag-spray ko sa bahay. Dinala ni Dan sa labas yung styro. So, kunin natin yung regalo natin para sa kanya. Dalawa actually yung regalo ko para sa kanya, guys. Tinago ko dito sa cabinet ko. Dito yung isa. Ito yung nasa vlog ko na binili ko nung nagpagawa ako ng nails. And then yung isa nasa car. Pero mamaya na, wait. Nasaan si Danny Boy? Nandito na. Kunin natin yung isang regalo. Nandito sa sasakyan. Kasi, nandito yung mga bags ko. Wala na ako ibang mapaglagyan ng regalong yun. Kasi, malaki. So, ito yung ginawa ko sa mga bags ko. Kasi nga, ayaw ipa-display ni Dan dun sa closet. So, nilagay ko siya dito. To sabi ko, i-keep mo lang sa car. Kasi ayoko siyang i-keep sa bahay ng mama niya. Kasi ayoko namang pumunta dun every time na gagamitin ko yung ibang bag. Kasi right now, yung natira na talaga na bag is ito lang. Tapos yung iba, nilagay ko na dito. Dito ko na din nilagay yung isa kong regalo. Kasi hindi siya magkasya sa cabinet kasi malaki siya. Asa na yun? Found it. Dito pa siya sa pinakailalim. Unahin natin ito ibigay sa kanya yung maliit. Okay. Malab! I'm coming with a gift. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, man. Why did you bang on? You don't.
Happy birthday to us. Guess.
Watch.
Tsaka guess.
A bracelet.
Do you wear bracelets? If I give you a bracelet, would you wear it?
Headphones.
You already have headphones.
Be better headphones.
Better headphones?
Let's have a look. That's my
Okay.
guess, headphones.
Okay.
Let's see how I go.
That's your final guess?
That's all. I only need that guess.
We will see!
Apple headphones. God, I'm good.
Hey, that was your third guess.
Yeah, well then I thought. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
You already know what you got, haven't you? Because you found it. You found it. I know you found it.
I didn't open it. When I saw it, I was like, oh no! So I put back the clothes.
Did you open it?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Let me go.
Parang
Let me go
ewan.
get it. Let me go
Alam
get
niyo
it.
na, nagdi-declutter kami. Baka makita niyo yung isang regalo ko na doon. Parang ewan, alam niya na nagdi-declutter kami. So yung mga damit niya, supposedly, doon sa cabinet niya talaga, nilagay ko muna doon sa kabilang cabinet. Doon pa naman niya nilagay yung regalo niya sa akin. So nakita ko yung box. Pagkakita ko talaga para ako para sobrang kinabahan ako na para ako may kasalanan ba. Sabi ko, binalik ko yung damit niya. Parang iwan. Hindi ko in-open, but I think I know what it is.
Love, will you marry me?
I knew it! Yay!
That's a room.
Yay! Thank you, babe! See, dito siya bumibili lahat ng itong mga to, dito niya binili sa Blue Nile. Maganda to.
Oh, your fingers are fat now.
I know. I'm really fat now. Oh, that's perfect! Is it the same size as the other one?
Yeah, it's all the same size.
Oh, that's nice! Same siya nung wedding ring ko. Kasi sabi ko sana, bibili ako. Para pang pang hold ba? Kasi yung wedding ring ko, it moves around. Yung engagement ring ko, nag-move siya. Tapos yung size naman niya below, maliit naman masyado kasi binibigyan kanila ng ng sample ng mga sizes. Sabi ko dyan talaga. Pero yung wedding ring
That's a lot of diamonds now.
Kasha. No, I just want something to hold my engagement ring. Ay, very nice!
It looks good.
Thank you, babe. Thank you. Oi! Virus.
I got my flu injection today.
He got his flu injection. I have another one.
No, what?
Another gift. Did you see it?
No, I haven't seen it.
Are you ready? It's a big box. Guess. Stop it! Sige na! Oh, just open your eyes. It's wrapped.
Alright.
What do you think that one is? Guess.
It's pork power.
Okay. No. No, I'm not giving you any 4-power stuff. Buti na lang din dalawa ko.
I've got no idea.
Talo sana ako eh.
Did you get this recently?
No.
Did you feel guilty that I...
No. I saw this when.
Probably not.
Orders doesn't arrive that quick anymore. Do you have any idea now? This was my original gift. And then I told you that it takes 6 weeks to arrive. So I paid a lot for expedite shipping.
Jesus.
Expedite shipping is like 1 to 3 days.
Oh, because you saw what I got you. And,
No! I got this way before. That's my original gift.
Oh, so let me open
You
it.
still do not know
It's a watch.
I don't know.
Sure.
You would.
It's a pretty big watch and it's a watch, my love.
Careful.
Ah, watch. See? I'm pretty good with my guesses. I knew you'd get me a watch. Thanks, babe. Looks like an expensive one as well. Jesus. Ooh. Wooden box. Whoops. They do the wooden watches? I'm assuming so. That's pretty cool. Thank you, my love. Have I had this one before? This brand? No?
That's exactly the same as the old one that I broke.
Is it really?
Yeah. You love it, don't
Yeah,
you?
it's a good one. It's not exactly the same.
It is.
Nah.
It is, isn't it?
Nah.
It is.
I do like it though.
It is exactly the same one. We can get it adjusted.
How do I get it adjusted?
Well, we will have them remove one link.
Oh, just like a watch store?
Yeah. You can't do it right now because everything's closed.
No, it's cool, babe. Thank you.
That's alright.
Thank you, babe.
The story behind this is, binigyan nila ako ng watch before. Sabi nila, pumili ka ng watch. So, instead of for myself, kasi hindi naman ako masyado nag-watch, pumili ako ng para kay Dad. And gustong-gusto niya yung watch na yun, guys. And then, nasira ko yung watch niya na nahulog siya ba? Kasi nilagay niya lang sa kitchen bench. Nahulog niya. So, sabi ko, gustong-gusto niya yun. Sabi nilagay ko.
Your present is not only your anniversary present, it's also your 900,000 subscriber present.
Aww.
Because I only got one present. And I knew today we were going to get 900,000 today.
Oh yeah,
I
thank
knew
you
it.
guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for supporting Raz.
Thank you. Yeah, I reached 900k today.
Yeah, well done, babe.
Yeah.
Good job.
That's exactly the same.
Is it?
I looked it up, yeah.
I like it.
Before, when they like contact me and ask me to pick a watch, they will ask me, oh, what size? And then they will resize it for you. I mean, yeah. But because I'm just a regular customer, I don't even have an option to resize it.
Oh, you don't?
Nah.
Yeah.
There you go. Looks very nice.
Thank you, babe.
Alright.
I got you another present as well.
A boat.
I do.
No, you didn't.
I do.
No, you didn't.
Okay, you're not getting it now. There we go.
This is the Pro. There you go.
Very nice, babe. These are very cool.
Yeah.
These are something I use
All the
hours
time.
a day.
Yeah.
So when I don't want to talk to Raz, I put these in and put some YouTube on, and I like them though. They're really good.
They're really cute.
They fit comfortable as well.
That's good.
Yeah, I like them. Thanks, babe.
That's alright.
Very good present. Thanks, babe.
Lagi niya kasing gamit yung binili ko na tag $20 lang. Sabi ko, bilhan natin siya ng ano mas maganda. Malapit na mag-alas 5. Yung ating mga, ano tawag dito guys? Ano nga ulit tawag dito? Anyway, ready na sila. Nalinis ko na yan. Gagawin ko na lang yung pang-topping natin sa kanya. So, meron ako ditong butter. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng crushed garlic. And then, lalagyan natin siya ng salt and pepper. Ihalo ko lang to. And then, yun yung ilalagay natin sa ating... Anong tawag dyan, Tay? Basta, halo ko lang to. Tapos ilalagay natin dyan. Tapos ilalagay natin ng cheese maya-maya. Ayan. Ayan. Halo na siya, guys. And nagluto na din ako ng brown sauce. Luto na siya. Nandiyan sa ay. Taan nyo ba? Doon na yung brown sauce. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa din matandaan kung anong pangalan nitong... Halaan to, diba? Yung nasa isip ko, masos. Hindi naman to masos. Ano nga ulit tawag dito? Hala, yung aking utak. Alam nyo ba? Diba nagpadala ako ng box sa Pilipinas? Yung main reason ko, bakit ako nagpadala ng box, sana ilagay ko yung cellphone, yung iPhone ko na luma ba? Kasi diba, plano ko sana nung umuwi kami nung December, January, iwan ko yan kasi bibigay ko siya kay mama. Tapos dinala ko siya dito kasi nasira yung bagong iPhone ko. So sabi ni mama, dalhin mo muna yan kasi hindi ko pa naman gagamitin. Para may magamit ako na phone ba while getting the other phone fixed. Na-send na yung box, yung phone nandito pa din sa bahay. Nakalimutan ko siya, guys. As in, sobrang nakalimutan ko siya. Sabi ko, ang tanga-tanga ko, grabe. Yun nga yung pinaka-rason kung bakit ako nag-box. Ito siya yung hindi ko nalagay sa box. Ay, naku, grabe talaga. Usually, kapag may mga nakakalimutan ako, si Dan yung nagre-remind sa akin. Si Don, sobrang busy niya din lately. Hindi naman ako pwede magdepende kay Dan lagi. Wala, nakalimutan ko talaga siya. Like, naalala ko siya nung linggo na, Sabado, sinend yung box. Anyway, ganyan na yung mixture. Huwag niyong i-melt yung butter. Nilagay ko siya sa microwave ng mga 10 seconds lang para lang mas-soften yung butter, but huwag yung melted para merong ganitong texture ba. Tapos ilalagay natin siya sa ating mga ano tawag dito sa seafood na ito? Pinatay! Last na lang pala, guys. Maglalagay ako ng breadcrumbs para lang meron siyang crunch-crunch na konti, diba? Ayan na. Ilalagay natin siya sa oven. 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Isasabay ko pala silang dalawa. Yan at saka yung lobster. Kasi dalawang racks naman yung oven eh. Nagigilty ako kasi ang linis-linis na ng oven. Di ba sabi ko hindi ako naglilinis ng oven? Kasi natatakot ako si Dan yung naglinis, guys. Tinuruan siya ng mama niya. So, siya yung naglinis and sobrang linis ng oven namin. Sabi ko, nakaka-guilty naman to gamitin. Kaya lang, yung chemical na ginamit niya, sobrang baho niya talaga. So, late last week, gagamitin ko na sana yung oven. Pero, pag open ko pa lang sa kanya, ang baho-baho. So, kailangan mo siyang, after mo siyang linisin, gamit yung chemical na ginamit niya, kailangan siyang i-on lang yung oven pero walang laman. Kasi, ang baho niya talaga. Tapos, turn it on for a while hanggang sa mawala yung baho. Anyway, let's prepare this. So, ang liit niya pala. 900 grams yung pinili ko. Yun yung pinakamalaking available eh. Sabi ni Dan, parang hindi naman daw 900 grams. Meron pala silang option na freshly cooked or cooked na frozen. So, I got the freshly cooked this time kasi last time yung pinili ko yung frozen lang. Hindi ko kasi napansin na meron pala silang freshly cooked na option. I ordered this sa Ferguson, Australia na naman. Kasi nagde-deliver sila. Based sila dito sa Adelaide. Malapit sa airport yung warehouse nila. So, nagde-deliver sila. If you say you want it delivered by Tuesday, as in, i-deliver talaga nila ng Tuesday. Nag-request ako na ipa-deliver ngayon kasi nga, freshly cooked yung pinili ko na lobster. Guys, luto na! Luto na yung ating scallops at saka yung ating lobster. Well, yung lobster luto na naman. Nilagay ko lang siya doon. Tapos nilagyan ko ng sauce. Kinat ko siya in lengthwise. Tapos nilagyan ko ng sauce. And okay na to. So, that's done. Yung scallops natin ready na din. Ooh! See? Yan. Scallops pala. Naalala ko siya kanina lang. Scallops. Yeah, prepare ko lang to doon. Nandun na din yung sauce ko. Konti lang yung kinuha ko na sauce kasi yung iba gusto ko siyang i-store, i-freeze ba, para hindi na ako gagawa. Kasi sayang. Kapag nilagay ko dito lahat, hindi siya nakakain lahat, tas hindi ko na siya fini-freeze. Oh my gosh, naglalaway na ako. Hindi ko na siya fini-freeze kasi 1,000 dipping na yung nagawa ko dun. So, konti lang yung kinuha ko. Looks good, guys. Yan yung ating scallops. Tapos, nag-zizzling pa talaga siya, oh. Ayan. Magandang idea yung pag-add ng breadcrumbs. And then, yan yung ating lobster. Okay. Ready na kami, guys. Nag-post din ako sa Instagram ng mga questions. So, nag-screenshot na ako kanina. Meron akong konting na screenshot. So, mamaya, babalik na naman kami sa phone. Pero ito na ang ating pa-special na dinner. Scallops at saka lobster. Kain.
Sorry, babe.
Kain tayo, guys. Coke.
You should work.
Brown
You should work
sauce.
in a restaurant when they open back up again. You're a very good cook, my love. You are. That's fantastic.
It's already cooked. I just put it in the oven.
The way you did it though, the way you put it in the oven, look at it, it's perfect. Good job, my love. Very good job.
Nagburit ang bana.
It does look bad. I'm serious.
Yeah, it looks good. Hope it tastes as good. Nakakaloka. USB-C pala yung ano niya, connector niya sa charger. Buti na lang, yung MacBook ko, USB-C, hindi yung USB na ano ba. So, kailangan pa namin bumili ng adapter para ma-charge namin siya. Anyway, fully charged na to. I-connect ko lang siya sa phone ni Dan. Where's your phone? Samsung yung kay Dan eh. Pero compatible naman to, diba? Yung pinagpipilian ko kasi ito at saka yung Samsung. Mas gusto ko yung itsura nito. Meron din kasi siyang iPad na lagi niyang ginagamit. Like, every night talaga yan yung ginagamit niya manood ng news. And cute din siya. Try ko sa akin yan. Ano to? Right? Kasi ang malaki talaga siya do. Pati ito malaki. I don't know. I guess it's not too bad. I guess it's fine. Wait, let's... it's on. Ito din kasi ginagamit ni Dan pag tumatakbo siya. Try natin. Malaki talaga siya, uy. Wala akong naririnig kahit wala pag naka-on. I think it is connected.
It is connected?
It is.
Yeah, put a YouTube thing on.
It's loud. Okay, sure. That's right. This is last. What are you doing?
Commercial. These are very nice, babe. They fit like...
A glove.
Very good. Thanks, babe.
It's too big.
I can't hear.
It's too big on me.
Sorry? What are you saying?
It's too big
I
on
can't
me.
hear.
It's too big on me.
Can't hear. Alright, I'm going. Bye, love.
Bye. Love you. Okay na tong mask ko. Tatanggalin ko na to, guys. Pero hintay ko lang si Dan. Naglakad. Parang naglakad ata kasi medyo matagal eh. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.